Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, we briefly describe what you're the latest in tech, share amazing travel adventures, dive into the world of cryptocurrencies, etc. If you enjoy our content, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Today, we have an exciting topic for you. Briefly introduce the main topic of the video. So, let's dive right in. Here are 20 detailed facts about cryptocurrency. 1. Decentralization. Cryptocurrencies operate on decentralized networks, typically using blockchain technology. This means no central authority, such as a government or financial institution, controls them, reducing the risk of corruption or manipulation. 2. Blockchain technology. Cryptocurrencies rely on blockchain, a distributed ledger technology. Each transaction is recorded in a block and linked to the previous one, creating a chain. This structure ensures transparency and security, as altering any block requires changing all subsequent blocks. 3. Bitcoin. Created in 2009 by the anonymous Satoshi Nakamoto, Bitcoin is the first and most well-known cryptocurrency. It introduced the concept of a peer-to-peer electronic cash system, allowing users to transfer value without intermediaries. 4. Ethereum. Launched in 2015 by Vitalik Buterin, Ethereum is a decentralized platform that enables developers to build and deploy smart contracts and decentralized applications. Ether is its native cryptocurrency. 5. Smart contracts. Smart contracts are self-executing contracts with the terms directly written into code. They automatically enforce and execute agreements when predefined conditions are met, reducing the need for intermediaries and increasing efficiency. 6. Cryptocurrency mining is the process of validating and adding transactions to the blockchain. Miners use computational power to solve complex mathematical problems, and in return, they are rewarded with newly created cryptocurrency tokens. 7. Proof of work. POW is a consensus mechanism used by Bitcoin and several other cryptocurrencies. Miners compete to solve cryptographic puzzles, and the first to solve it gets to add a new block to the blockchain and receive the reward. 8. Proof of stake. POS is an alternative consensus mechanism where validators are chosen based on the number of tokens they hold and are willing to stake as collateral. This method is more energy efficient than POW. 9. Altcoins. Any cryptocurrency other than Bitcoin is referred to as an altcoin. Examples include Ethereum, Ripple, XRP, Litecoin, LTC, and Cardano, ADA. Each altcoin aims to address different use cases or improve upon Bitcoin's limitations. 10. Cryptocurrency wallets are digital tools that store private and public keys, allowing users to send, receive, and manage their cryptocurrencies. Wallets can be hardware-based, cold storage, or software-based hot wallets. 11. Public and private keys. A public key is like an account number used to receive funds, while a private key is like a password used to sign transactions and access funds. It is crucial to keep private keys secure to prevent unauthorized access. 12. Decentralized finance. DeFi. DeFi refers to a set of financial services built on blockchain networks, allowing users to lend, borrow, trade, and earn interest without intermediaries. DeFi aims to create a more inclusive and transparent financial system. 13. Initial coin offerings. ICOs. ICOs are a fundraising method where new cryptocurrencies sell tokens to investors in exchange for established cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum. ICOs have been used to fund various blockchain projects but carry high risks. 14. Stablecoins. Stablecoins are cryptocurrencies designed to maintain a stable value by being pegged to a reserve asset, such as fiat currency or commodities. Examples include Tether and Dogecoin. They provide stability in the volatile crypto market. 15. Cryptocurrencies face varying levels of regulation worldwide. Some countries embrace them with clear legal frameworks, while others impose strict restrictions or outright bans, reflecting concerns over fraud, money laundering, and financial stability. 16. While blockchain technology is inherently secure, cryptocurrencies can still be vulnerable to hacking scams and fraud. Users must take precautions, such as using secure wallets and exchanges and staying informed about potential threats. 17. Market volatility. Cryptocurrency prices are highly volatile, influenced by factors such as market demand, regulatory news, technological advancements, and macroeconomic trends. This volatility presents both opportunities and risks for investors. 18. Adoption. Cryptocurrency adoption is growing, with increasing numbers of merchants, businesses, and individuals accepting cryptocurrencies for goods and services. Major companies like Microsoft, Tesla, and PayPal have shown interest or integrated crypto payments. 19. PayPal have shown interest or integrated crypto payments. 19. Cross-border transactions. Cryptocurrencies facilitate fast and low-cost cross-border transactions, making them attractive for remittances and international trade. They eliminate the need for currency conversion and reduce transaction fees and processing times. 20. Environmental impact. The environmental impact of cryptocurrency mining, particularly PoW-based systems like Bitcoin, has raised concerns due to high energy consumption. Efforts are being made to develop more sustainable alternatives such as PoS and energy-efficient mining practices. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more great content. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so leave a comment down below and let us know what you think. Follow us on our social media platforms for behind-the-scenes updates and more exciting content.